Robert Kiyosaki talks a lot about getting something for nothing in his real estate deals. Do you utilize that principle, or have you obtained something for nothing in your deals, or have you obtained something for nothing? You know, I guess in a way, we received our whole portfolio for nothing. It really depends on how you want to define something and nothing, right? Like at this point, we don't have any of our own money into any of our deals. And the way that we structure deals is in a manner that doesn't involve us using our own money. And if we do have some of our own money in the deal, then once we refinance, that money comes out of the deal. So one could argue that we have built an entire portfolio out of nothing, and our portfolio is something. But, I don't know. I mean, Robert Kiyosaki, Dave Ramsey, anybody else along those lines, they're all good to a certain point, and all their points break down at a certain point, right? Like more important than getting something for nothing is to continually do something, right? So actually being out there building a business and doing it, even if we had to put some money into a deal. If we had to put our own money into a deal, that would be fine. We wouldn't not do it because we needed to use some of our own funds.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.